Microsoft introduced Power BI on July 24, 2015, marking the official launch of a dynamic tool that has since grown and enhanced its features, positioning itself as a prominent business intelligence and data visualization solution. Power BI empowers both individuals and organizations to seamlessly connect to diverse data sources, perform data transformation and modeling, and craft engaging interactive reports and dashboards. Its core objective is to facilitate users in extracting valuable insights from their data, fostering data driven decision making, and effectively conveying those insights to stakeholders. Let's understand some key features and components of Power BI. Power BI allows users to connect to a wide range of data sources, including Excel files, databases, cloud services, web APIs, and much more. This capability enables users to consolidate data from various sources into a single unified view. Once data is connected, Power BI provides tools for data preparation and transformation, allowing users to clean, shape, and enhance data for analysis. Users can also create relationships between different data tables to build a coherent data model. Power BI also offers a vast collection of customizable and interactive data visualization options such as charts, graphs, tables, maps, and more. These visuals help users represent data in a compelling manner, making it easier to understand and analyze complex information. Power BI also uses DAX, a formula language, to create custom calculations, measures, and calculated columns. DAX enhances data analysis by allowing users to perform advanced calculations and expressions on the data. Power BI also allows users to share reports and dashboards with colleagues and stakeholders. It supports collaboration through the ability to work on shared datasets and reports in real time, and enables users to publish and distribute reports securely both within the organization and externally. Power BI offers a mobile app that allows users to access and interact with their reports and dashboards on smartphones and tablets, ensuring data is available on the go. Power BI also seamlessly integrates with other Microsoft products, including Excel, Azure, SharePoint, and Teams, enhancing its capabilities and extending its reach across different applications. Besides this, Microsoft Power BI also supports Power Query. Power Query is a data connectivity and data transformation tool within Power BI. It enables users to extract, transform, and load data from various sources, also known as ETL. This helps to perform data cleansing and combine data from multiple sources. Now let's understand how to download and install Power BI Desktop.